that I take, every move that I make, anticipating, no more waiting, elevating the stakes. I'm full stride, eyes open, captivating the scene. True life, my time, liberating my dreams. Every challenge that I'm seeking to meet, I'm overcoming, steady grinding, keep my beat to the street. I keep my mind thinking wise, hoping better to keep. Rising high, go get it with the vision I see. I'm getting clever, yeah. Special memories out. Special memories out. I'm on the way. I'm on that midday hustle and I'm hitting my stride. Clock ticking, never missing, no reason to hide. City passing while I'm moving and I'm taking it in. Hitting every door, crashing and I'm wearing a grin. Through this alleyway, stuck in, navigating the way. Every package is a hustle, I'm riding the weight. No slower than moving, making these cakes moving. Through with the take, forward the will I create. Demons and plan, no overstand, I'm free in my zone. Drop hit, pick it up, was full control. Don't mind if I splash while I'm making these waves. Life like a knife, baby, and I'm cutting my way, I'm better.
Superlative. Watch me pop my collar, them girl holler. Them man hit me for the sauce on top. I got what they need, doors open. Now I navigate through like cause I can. I weren't made to be less than great. Avant-garde, I don't know no grain. Come like pops, they just know my pace. Come out your ends a civilian, not your average low hillian. Pass me the mic, it's a silly one. Never on killy, don't crud, but I'm killer like good. Don't touch road, but a bit of me does. Going on major, the little league club. So I draw for the bass, no back, make it run. Ho, can't catch me when I run, flows. So I pop my collar. Pop out the collar, then run this dance. I'm on that everyday good tip dog. Not into celebrating, but go on. Bang off my chest cause I'm feeling good. Mr. Made beats and the flow so hood. Ask a bang. This is all I wanted. When I lay verse, so the people want it. When I make beats, they believe my sonics hit the mainstream, I'm chronic. Quick to believe my body, put the work in properly. They want my thing hot for me. Wake up, this ain't a hobby. Don't miss out the pay when you do look for me. I'm living in Bolton Town. BL, I got the chosen sound. Quiet boy, step on the stage so loud. Line check, watch all the rave go wow. My tech, trust in the white till I make life nice. Sicker with the game, so I get what's mine. Bang on my chest, man so proud of the set. I ain't too good to forget, so I pop my collar.
Running through my eyes, I rock the brick and I'm ready to grind. Underneath my skin, my soul aligned. The vision I see and I'm ready to climb. I'm an energy force on the path divine. I see the vibes all through the rain, and the path just feels the flame. In the back, yeah, saw the game. Different cats, but they act like all the same. The heat of the moment, I pick up my drive. The determination, the purpose to thrive. The mission unfolding, I'm thinking it's time. I feel like this life that I'm holding, and damn it, I feel so alive. repping, reclaiming my youth. The challenge, I'm scratching the surface. I see it from up in the booth. City lights might blind the dream. Pretty heights stay off the beam. Take a bite trying to find the cream. It's a fight in the mic, make you wanna scream. Going all night, all sight, wings twice. Think I just might feel spike, recite dividends. In the haze, in the maze that we living in. It's a craze every day that we're swimming in. We're just looking for the praise that we're singing in. You can feel it from the way that we're swinging in. I'm just winning in the game cause you're bringing it back to beginning. And the fact that we're giving it so amazing. Crazy, I'm feeling it. Time that we live to reach the limit. Bring them all to the wall, trying to get it. Coming out swinging in, the world keeps spinning it. Wishes and pain, I don't care anymore. Cause all the riches and fame never came at all. Everything that they say is a game, you know. There ain't nobody to blame, let the world explode. All my wishes and pain, I don't care anymore. Cause all the riches and fame never came at all. Everything that they say is a game, you know. There ain't nobody to blame, let the world explode. Step inside of my vibe, keep your head low. Don't subscribe, I decide to accept to free my mind from inside of my bedroom. In paradise from the lies I was said to. I'll be in my sanctuary, I'm taking my time. Don't care if it's January or middle of July. I'll be acting too contrary, living in my own mind. Though you think it's kinda scary, I just hate you like the high. Blowing through the summer breeze, blowing through the city sky. Puffing on that herbal tree, feeling like I'm super high. Like it if you disagree, no I tell you reasons why. Knowing it's a guarantee, I see it in my eyes. All my wishes and pain, I don't care anymore. Cause all the riches and pain never came at all. Everything that they say is a game, you know. There ain't nobody to blame, let the world explode. Hate the people that pretend going on the premise. Telling people that we're friends, but the truth diminish. In a world full of lies where you trying to lax. But it's all on how they spit it and they spit the facts. Chew you up, spit you out like it's bubble gum. Think you down, staring up, looking troublesome. Now you blocked up, reaching for the double pump. Got you locked up, reaching for the rebel, talking hard. Break, high, stakes. Don't tell me what you think, believe in now. For people's sakes, it's all fake. They sell you everything and leave you out. All my wishes and pain, I don't care anymore. Cause all the wishes and pain never came at all. Everything that they say is a game, you know. There ain't nobody to blame, let the world explode.
I don't even want a lot when the genie comes around. But my team, we run the block, now they trying to take my sound. This is nothing, we can't stop. Rising up, they sitting down. They be running for my spot, guess I'll have to take them out. Leave a cloud in your zones, take them out. Getting rowdy and show, simmer down. Won this town with my vocals, I'm loud and outspoken. They're out of control with it now. Wish it can get you half of that. They must believe when they see how we bring the smart attack. Ticking boxes looking like we really got that darker craft. Distant watching, they must have pre-that. I'm bringing sharpness back, don't be daft. Thinking of ghosts in the axe, to think I got time on my hands to pick up the phone just to chat. This is my time to get locked into it. I've signed up, I must pursue it. Assignments are stacking up, but my side is accustomed to it. I got people knocking, never stop to bother cause my people popping. This is not religious, when I pray I feel the repercussions. Desperation separates my name from those we see too often. Left the lane, they dealt me from the start, the street was not my option. Nah. But I've been rolling with it. They see that I'm on my grind, so they lead me to grow the vision. The team that we got is tired, so believe that we only winning. The reason I jump on mic is cause Pete's never wanted rhythms. I don't even want a lot when the genie comes around. Got my team, we run the block, now they trying to take my sound. This is nothing, we can't stop. Rising up, they sitting down. They be running for my spot, guess I'll have to take them out. Leave a cloud in your zones, take them out. Getting rowdy at shows, simmer down. Won this town with my vocals, I'm loud and outspoken. They're out of control with it now. Saw them leaning in, that wishing well, wish them well. We live the scenes that believe within themselves. Listen, help, I taught that freedom and health. I promote reading and well, sometimes I'm eager and shell. Come from the region of melting coal into to steal, I rebel. This is my field, I excel. Give me a breather, recharge that energy, needed that well. Rested, focused, money's not the only motive. Just found out my sister's pregnant, must make sure the family's coping. So we aim up, never set those limits. Come again, bruv, did I mention gimmicks? Come to pretend you're the one that's winning. Fun for a set, never jumped on with them. Jump on the set, getting shut down, clicking like a semi-respect to your clubland rhythms. Looking like a threat when I dub that, listen. This is my place, get the vibe straight. Been a minute with a right phase, they get my shade. Couple brothers never like me, they keep quiet ways. Spent a minute on the side, getting mad at us. Wishing they could grab it, this is genie rhythm. Open up your mind and see what's really in it. Rubbed about with loungers zoning out, but they don't see the vision. Couple times I tried to set it out, but we don't need them in it. This is for my team, I'm willing. Weaker falling deeper, victims, product of the cheaper way of thinking. This is but a show. I do not proceed to get it mixed in with these brothers, no. Look, I'm in my element, steady with the pen, I'm barely speaking, but my presence is enough to keep them preeing every syllable from sentences. Rent is spent resenting this. Heaven sent, but heaven isn't blessed unless they mention him. Energies be centering my serotonin. This is just a test of strength, I'm ever growing. Reaper calls, I keep it going. Wishing they could answer that. Monetary artifacts, save your soul, the easy road is faster with a darker path. Distance if you charter that. I remain a smarter man, so if I lay my hands upon the lamp, I'll get the answers back. I don't even want a lot when the genie comes around. Got my team, we run the block, now they trying to take my sound. This is nothing, we can't stop. Rising up, they sitting down. They be running for my spot, guess I'll have to take them out. Leave a cloud in your zones, take them out. Getting round with the show, simmer down. Won this town with my vocals, I'm loud and outspoken. They're out of control with it now.